Would you like to know how to do a blue hour effect? Stay tuned. Okay, today we're gonna be working with Photoshop. So the first thing that we're gonna do is open our Photoshop. As you see, I have an image already right here. First thing we're gonna do is duplicate the layer. I always like to duplicate that layer just in case I need to go back and have that photo intact. Second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to filter. We're gonna go to camera raw filter. Once we get this in here, since we're doing a blue hour effect right before the sunset, it looks kind of blurred. Well, right before sunrise, it looks that blue tone. We're gonna drop that temperature to 54. I wanna do it. We're gonna drop that exposure again. That's right before the sunlight comes up. A little bit more, and then we're gonna bring the highlight a tiny bit up, just so we get that clarity. We're gonna click. Okay, once we get that look, what we're gonna do is, this is very tricky. This is how we give that effect that looks kind of really good. We're gonna go to the rectangle tool, is right here. We're gonna draw, you could draw as many as you want. I'm gonna try to do 4. We're gonna click then on the path tool over here, and then we're gonna press Option on Mac, Altana on Windows, I believe so. We're gonna make 4 square about the same size. Again, you could do as many as you want. I want to do 4. Make sure you're on the right track. I tried to do it the same thing. Once we get this, what we're going to do is we're going to go to transform. We're going to go to edit right here. Where is edit right here. We're going to select layer. Select that layer. We're going to go to edit. Then we're going to go to transform path. And we're going to click on skew. Once you click on skew, it's going to give you this option. You're going to click on the middle one right here. You're going to go up as much as you want. You give it the look that you want, and we're going to go to feather. Let's click OK. We're going to feather that out. I'm going to go about, let's see, I think let's do a little more. Let's do 40. Once we get to 40, perfect. We're gonna invert that color. Command I. Command delete. Command delete. That's on Windows and Mac. Once we convert it to white, we have it on white. It looks pretty good. What we want to do is, let's see if we could move it a little more to the middle. Wait. We're gonna Command T. We're gonna meet it right. You look where you want the light to hit, right? I want it kind of to be between the window. So let's keep it right there. Once you have it in the position that you want it, we're gonna go all the way up. We're gonna go to fill. We're gonna keep it about 50%. Let's see, we do 50%. 51, that's fine. We're gonna go to here and we're gonna pick on soft light. Here we go. After you see how it looks, you could bring the fill up a little more, as much as you want. You don't have to keep it that way. So rectangle, you could bring that up so the highlight looks a little better. Let me take a look at that. Perfect. And that's how you do the blue hour effect. Guys, thank you for watching. If you want any specific tutorial, please leave it on the comment, and I will see you next video.